Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to view your addresses in the Temu app. First we have to open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the U menu, then tap on addresses, and here we can add a new address, just like this. Select the country and region, your name, the street and house number that you live in, apartment building, unit, floor, room. These are optional things. Then the states, the city, the postal code, your phone number, and then you can link this address to your email address as well. Link this delivery address. And if you have already if you have already added a delivery address, you can add another one. So for example, if you go to university, you can have your home address where you live, and then your university address where you study, and then you can have items delivered to either one of those. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.